Look at this, dude. I told you to close the door because we're recording. I'll be recording.
For the following county, Columbia, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Beaver and Butler, and Hancock, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County and east central Ohio, northwestern Allegheny County in southwest Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Midland, or near East Liverpool, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Butler, Franklin Park, East Liverpool, Aliquippa, Beaver Falls, Monica, Shaler Township, Hampton Township, Pecan